Hello guys, it's your girl Samantha with another beautiful video. Thank you so much for keeping up with me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and do not forget to hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you're the first one to see it. Guys, in today's video, guess what? Guess what, guys? So we are going to be having a quick tour of my construction site. As I told you guys in my previous video that I work with a construction company that deals in construction of different things, airports, roads, buildings and everything. Yeah, so guys, let's go straight into the video. Ta-da! So guys, here is a site office. It's a temporary site office, as you can see, but in actual sense, after construction it will be a kitchen, as you can see, but for now it's what we use as an office. Here are our chairs, our table, and guys, this is my first aid box. I'm the health and safety officer of this company, so I'm supposed to be having a first aid kit on site just in case of any injuries. Someone gets first aid. And this is our water purifier for clean water. It's good for health. We keep some of our helmets and office stuff in that box, you see. So these are buildings under construction, and yeah, everything is still under construction. So, and here guys, these are bathrooms. Yeah, the factory has not yet started operating, so everything is still under construction, but it's going to be super nice. As you can see guys, these are bathrooms, and this side we have other bathrooms. These are other bathrooms, so clean and fresh. They look so nice, bathrooms and toilets. Yeah, this is a bathroom, this is a bathroom, so it's going to be super nice, as you can see guys. Yeah, still under construction. These are going to be offices. Guys, forgive me, my lighting is not that good, but regardless, we move. Yeah, and these are machines. Those are machines. They are already in place, so everything is set, and the factory is just about to start operating. Noise, guys, forgive me for that noise. It's construction works. This is part of the warehouse where works are going to be taking place. So this is it guys, this is it. Yay! So another, how can I call it? Okay, a production room. This is where juice is going to be produced. Construction is going on there. Yeah. And here. These are also machines, other machines that are going to be used in the production of juice. Other machines. Yeah. This is it, and outside is the boiler shed. Yeah. Oh, the chimney base. I don't know if you can see it, guys. That is it. And that one is going to be the changing room for the for the casual workers. Yeah, but everything is still under construction, guys. Yeah. Have you guys liked what you've seen? Have you liked how construction works? Just let me know in the comment section. What else do you want to know about this construction company, about the construction work? Just let me know in the comment section below. This is a tiny part of the factory, and yay! Have you seen that, guys? And the other one that is still under construction is another company, another factory, and still under construction. This is an industrial park. So let me zoom for you guys. I don't know if you can see well. Other factories. There's so many. Yeah, but that is it, guys. That is it. And we have come to the end of our video. It's been a brief tour of our construction site. See you in another video. Keep onto this channel. See you guys.